Welcome to today's journey into serenity and creativity. In this video, we'll explore how to create your very own DIY wall fountain, turning your backyard into a garden water feature that offers soothing water sounds and a perfect outdoor relaxation escape. Whether you're new to DIY garden projects or a seasoned enthusiast, you're in the right place. Imagine sitting in your garden, the sound of flowing water gently calming your senses. A DIY wall fountain is not only beautiful, it's a powerful source of peace. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you step by step to create a garden water feature that's perfect for outdoor relaxation. The charm of a DIY wall fountain lies in its simplicity. It doesn't require expensive tools or materials. Just some basic equipment and a little creativity can lead to a stunning garden water feature. And those water sounds? Pure bliss, especially after a long day. Let's start by picking the ideal spot. A good DIY garden project begins with the right placement. Choose a wall that's visible from your main outdoor seating area. This way, your DIY wall fountain becomes the centerpiece of your garden water feature and outdoor relaxation zone. Let's talk materials. For this DIY wall fountain, you'll need a waterproof basin, a small water pump, tubing, and decorative wall tiles or stones. These simple components come together beautifully to create a garden water feature that provides soothing water sounds. One benefit of this DIY garden project is that you can completely customize it. Whether you prefer a rustic stone look or a sleek modern design, your DIY wall fountain can reflect your personal style while enhancing outdoor relaxation. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Add pebbles, ferns, or even LED lighting around your DIY wall fountain. These finishing touches elevate your garden water feature and make your outdoor relaxation area glow in the evening. You don't need a huge garden to enjoy a wall fountain. In fact, this DIY garden project is perfect for small patios, balconies, and compact yards. A DIY wall fountain is a space-saving way to add big impact with minimal footprint. Did you know DIY wall fountains can benefit wildlife too? Birds love shallow, trickling water. By adding a small basin, your garden water feature becomes a sanctuary for birds, butterflies, and other lovely visitors. Maintenance is easy. Clean the pump every month, top off the water weekly, and enjoy. A well-maintained DIY wall fountain keeps your garden water feature in perfect shape, offering uninterrupted water sounds for outdoor relaxation. Let's talk about sound design. Not all water sounds are the same. A thin stream creates a gentle trickle, while a wider spout makes a bolder splash. Customize your DIY wall fountain to match your outdoor relaxation mood. Add a wooden bench nearby. With your DIY wall fountain in view and water sounds surrounding you, this becomes the perfect place to read, reflect, or simply unwind in your garden water feature oasis. Try vertical gardening. Add planter boxes around your DIY wall fountain. This transforms your garden water feature into a lush vertical retreat and turns your DIY garden project into a multitasking masterpiece of outdoor relaxation. Frame your DIY wall fountain with tall grasses or bamboo. These plants sway in the breeze, adding visual movement that pairs beautifully with the water sounds. This creates a full sensory experience in your garden water feature area. Consider nighttime ambiance. Solar-powered lights along the water path or spotlights behind the fountain can illuminate the soothing flow. Your DIY wall fountain becomes a glowing sculpture in your outdoor relaxation garden. Thank you for joining us on this 60-minute journey into the world of DIY wall fountains. We hope you're inspired to create your own garden water feature and experience the joy of water sounds and outdoor relaxation. Until next time, happy building and peaceful living.